Howdy friends! Today, we're going to draw a super cool tool called a handsaw. Let's do it! Can you say handsaw? Great! A handsaw is like a big helper that people use to cut wood. It's got a long, sharp side with little teeth, just like a smiling shark. But don't worry, this one is super friendly and won't bite. Ready to give it some fun details? Did you know? The first saws were made from bones and seashells. Wow, that's super old. Handsaws have been used for over 5,000 years to build things like houses, toys, and even boats. Those little zigzag teeth on the saw are what help it cut through wood, but they also make it look like it's always smiling. It's all done! Now, let's add some colors. Grab your favorite crayons or markers, and let's color together. Do you like how our handsaw is turning out? If our saw could talk, what would it say? Maybe, let's build something awesome, or I'm ready to help. What do you think it would say? What color should we make the handle? How about your favorite color? That sounds so bright and fun! sound do you think a saw makes when it's working? That's right. It sounds like Z, Z, like a busy bee. Wow, look at that! We did it, Pinky friends! We drew an awesome handsaw together. I bet your handsaw looks super cool too. Thanks for drawing with me today. I had so much fun. See you next time.